Thank you for buying this 18536 heater controller from FixtureDisplays.com. You can find this product by searching 18536 on FixtureDisplays.com. Now this controller, the probe is 0.78 inches in diameter, about 6 inches long. Now, if your opening to insert this heating head is very close to this dimension, you want to contact us to get exact measurements. Now, the wiring from the controller to the probe is 32 inches, and the other end of the wire is also 32 inches. So overall, this is about a little over 5 feet long from end to end. Now we're going to demonstrate how this heater controller works. Now this particular heater is measured at 350 watts for 110 volts power supply. Now we're going to show you how to set the start and termination temperature. You can do so by starting with the set button, and the P0 is the starting temperature at 95 degrees. That's the default. You can increase or decrease that. Now we just set that to 96.5 degrees. We hit set, and as you check again, P0 starting temperature is 96.5. Now P1 is end temperature, is set as 113 degrees. Likewise, you can increase or decrease the temperature and click on set to set that temperature. Now in the event that the temperature is not working well, you can reset, and the reset is fairly straightforward. You hit both up and down buttons, hold it for 3 seconds, and the display will show 888. That will reset this to a factory default, and you can reset temperatures according to your needs. So P0 and P1 are the two temperatures you need to set. While you aren't looking, we have reset the termination temperature to 113 degrees. So we're going to wait until the temperature reaches to 113 degrees. Then you will see the light turns off and the temperature stays at 113 degrees. Now the plug for the additional power supply is a universal plug that you can plug in additional devices to this controller. This plug-in device is not controlled by the temperature, it's constant power supply. If you like our services and this video, please subscribe and leave a good seller feedback and product review. Any questions, email us, cs@fixturedisplays.com.